The race for AI chip supremacy is intensifying as companies compete to develop the most powerful and efficient processors for driving artificial intelligence applications. The key players like Nvidia, AMD, Intel, and Google are investing heavily in research and development to stay ahead in this highly competitive market. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The rapid evolution of AI chips is at the forefront of technological transformation, with profound implications for both the tech industry and broader society. As AI becomes more integrated into various aspects of life, understanding the dynamics of the AI chip market is crucial. The dominant players into AI chips are NVIDIA. NVIDIA is the current leader in AI chips, particularly with its GPUs, that is, graphics processing units, that have become essential for AI workloads. Google has developed its own AI chip, the Tensor Processing Unit, that is TPU, optimized for the company's deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow. AMD. AMD is also a key player offering GPUs that are increasingly being adopted for AI tasks. Intel. Intel, traditionally dominant in CPUs, is pushing into AI with its Xeon processors and specialized chips like the Nirvana NNP, that is Neural Network Processor. The future of AI chips will likely be shaped by collaborations between tech giants, startups, and academic institutions. Ecosystems where hardware, software, and AI algorithms are co developed will become increasingly important in driving innovation. Indeed, the competition in the AI chip market is intensifying as major tech companies like Amazon and Alphabet have started developing their own in house chips. Alphabet has jumped onto this bandwagon with its newly revealed Axion custom processor. All these developments would be a matter of concern for Nvidia, but the fact remains all the big names are expected to continue buying its powerful GPUs. The surprising part is when Nvidia announced the launch of next generation Blackwell AI GPU, all the mentioned companies said they would develop these chips once they are available. Let's look into today's headlines. Apple announces Kevin Parikh as its new CFO as Luca Maestri steps down. Apple's chief financial officer Luca Maestri will step down from the job at the end of the year after more than a decade and will hand over the role to top deputy Kevin Parikh. In what Apple described as a planned succession, Parikh will become CFO on January 1st. Maestri, who has been CFO since 2014, will remain at Apple in a reduced position, continuing to oversee information technology and real estate functions. The Indian government probes Telegram after CEO Pavel Durov gets apprehended in France. The Indian government is investigating Telegram after speculations that the popular messaging app is being used for criminal activities such as extortion and gambling. The probe reportedly could potentially lead to a ban on the app depending on the findings. The investigation is being conducted by the Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center, that is I4C, under the Ministry of Home Affairs and the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, that is MeitY. McAfee announces automatic and AI-powered deepfake detector on select Lenovo AI PCs. McAfee has announced the launch of McAfee Deepfake Detector, the latest addition to the company's suite of AI-powered products. To curb the rise in AI scams and misinformation, McAfee is working with Lenovo to bring powerful AI-based deepfake detector capabilities to customers purchasing select Lenovo AI PCs. To help educate consumers, McAfee is also launching the Smart AI Hub with resources and interactive elements to build awareness of deepfakes and AI driven scams. The Reserve Bank of India to launch technology platform for frictionless credit in lines of the UPI. The Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikant Das said the Unified Lending Interface, that is ULI, to enable frictionless credit will soon be introduced. The pilot project for a public tech platform was already announced in August last year. Shaktikant Das highlighted that ULI will play a similar role in transforming the lending space in the country, just as United Payments Interface, that is UPI, revolutionized the payment ecosystem. ULI will facilitate seamless and consent based flow of digital information. Foxconn targets women for leadership positions in India's tech sector. iPhone maker Foxconn is claiming to be focusing on promoting women employees in India to leadership positions, especially in design and technology roles. The development comes in the wake of major claims against the company's hiring policy surfaced in some of its Indian facilities. The company's chairman, Yang Lui, emphasized the importance of offering more opportunities to women beyond traditional assembly jobs. In India, Foxconn employs around 48,000 people, with women making up 70% of this workforce. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.